Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Он на софе? Часть вторая, страница 8, 9, 10, 11. English, Starlight 3. Is he on the sofa? Homework part number 2, page number 8, 9, 10, 11. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 8, 8. Grammarland. Prepositions of place. Предлоги места. On, на. In, в. Under, под. Behind, за. Next to, рядом с. Exercise number 1. Look, read and answer. Посмотрите, прочитайте и ответьте. Which letter is behind the picture? In the wardrobe, next to the picture, on the wardrobe, under the wardrobe. The answer. Letter E is behind the picture. Letter A is in the wardrobe. Letter L is next to the picture. Letter T is on the wardrobe. Letter B is under the wardrobe. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the sentences. Закончите предложение. Where's the doll? It's in the bus. Where's the doll? It's in the bus. Where's the umbrella? It's under the bed. Where's Jack? He's on the sofa. Where's the boy? He's behind the tree. Where's the pencil? It's next to the notebook. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 9, 9. Exercise number 3. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите, прочтите и заполните. The picture is next to the bookcase. The books are in the bookcase. The teddy bear is under the table. The vase is on the table. The lamp is behind the armchair. Let's play. Where's the picture? It's next to the bookcase. The answer. Where's the sofa? It's behind the table. Where are the armchairs? They're next to the table. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Let's draw a ball. Послушайте и напишите в тетради, да или нет. Draw a ball under the table. Draw a ball next to the bookcase. Draw a ball in the cupboard. Draw a ball behind the armchair. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 10 and 11. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Look, there's Harry. His bedroom is nice. Hi, Harry. Hello, Eleanor. Come in, Alvin. Is this your TV? No, it isn't. It's my computer. There's are my computer games. Let's play. Listen, who's that? Oh no, it's my dad. Quick, hide. Where? Here's your book. Harry. Thanks, Dad. Elena. Where are you? I'm under the desk. Come out. My dad isn't here now. Oh, okay. Where's Elvin? Is he under the bed? No, he isn't. Is he in the wardrobe? No, he isn't. He's on the wardrobe. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and find the number of picture. Прочтите диалог еще раз и найдите номер картинки. Hi, Harry. Quick, hide. I'm under the desk. He's on the wardrobe. Hi, Harry, picture number 2. Quick, hide, picture number 6. I'm under the desk. Picture number 8. He's on the wardrobe. Picture number 12. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.